Hello creators, and welcome to the Tom Kearin Video Bombshell Vault. This is where we pull timeless truths from deep within the video archives. The kind of truths that hit like a bombshell then and are about to hit even harder now. These truths don't die, they live forever within you. Today, we're unlocking a truth so insanely powerful that it makes the word impossible obsolete. Because the moment you shift from doubting what to do to knowing who you are, reality has no choice but to recreate itself around your new identity. It doesn't take time, it takes awareness. It happens in the moment you realize, I am that I am. In that instant, your old world dies and the new one rises, the one that mirrors your command. You're not here to hope reality changes. You're here to command it. Because when you move as I am awareness, every so-called obstacle becomes proof of your authority. You don't wait for the miracle. You are the miracle. You don't manifest despite your doubts and fears. You manifest because of who you are. You make doubt and fear irrelevant. So let's open the vault and drop this one once again, because this truth isn't behind you. It's bending the impossible for you, through you, and as you, right here, right now. I am your host, Tom Kearin, and this is the Tom Kearin Channel and studios of Be Something Wonderful, where we help you level up and become the best version of yourself. Creators, good morning and welcome back to the Tom Kearin Channel and studios of Be Something Wonderful. We received another email about one of you talking about how you're manifesting the impossible. I referred to one, I think, a few weeks ago. And this person said, Tom, I am manifesting things that 15 months ago seemed impossible. And I'm manifesting them even while I doubt it. This is powerful. Hear this. And he talked about this idea from the videos he was referring to a few videos, where remember that your higher self, who you really are, that power within you, never doubts it. So, right, even when you are. So it's not the idea that you doubt it or that you get triggered that keeps you from manifesting the impossible or the life that you want or being the person that you desire to be. It's the thought or assumption that because you're triggered, because you have doubt, that you can't manifest what you want. Do you see what he got at? That's why he's manifesting these miracles. That's why he's living the life of his dreams. That's why these things that seemed impossible. He's letting the doubt be there. That doesn't do anything. It's the thought that I can't have or be that person I want to be or have those things that I want to have if I have that doubt or if I'm triggered. He really got this idea, the difference really between a true belief, I remember I was asked about that, or a false belief. Well, Tom, what's the difference? Well, true beliefs are true whether you believe them or not. Wow! A false belief requires you to believe it. Right? Believe that you're not that person you desire to be. Hear this. He really got that idea that it doesn't matter if I doubt it. It doesn't matter if I get triggered or I react. I'm source. I get to determine it. I can manifest the impossible because I say so, even while I'm doubting it. Doubt does nothing. It's your thought that it does something, that it keeps you from what you want, or the thought that if you have fear, right, that fear that you're not going to get it, that it's going to keep you from what you want. No. Because remember, you get to decide that. You can still let that fear be there. That idea or that thought that maybe I won't get it, That doesn't determine it. It's only your thought or assumption that because I have that fear, because I have that doubt, because I reacted, I can't be that person I desire to be. I can't have those things I want to have. I can't manifest the impossible. When he let those go and decided, you know what? He referred to a video that we did some months ago, maybe a couple of years ago, where I talked about that your inner being, that God within you, the real self, believes in you, whether you believe in yourself or not. Do you see that? It loves you whether you love yourself or not. You're loved and believed in no matter what. That's your power. Right? You can let your 3D thoughts and that 3D small personality sulk in its own disbelief and its own doubt. Will you go off and manifest the impossible? This is what he got to. This is really a powerful realization that we've talked about in many videos now, but I want to talk about it today like we never have before. That remember, you can manifest anything. Belief is not even required, right? Suspend belief, suspend disbelief, and go to the knowing that you are source, you are the creator, and that you can manifest what you desire. You can manifest the impossible. You can be that person you've always dreamed to be anyway, even while you're doubting it. It's the thought that because I'm doubting it, or the thought because I am reacting, or the thought because these circumstances are appearing the way they are, that I can't be the person that I want to be, that I can't manifest the things I want to manifest. You are absolutely unlimited. Your inner being, your higher self, that I am awareness, loves you and believes in you no matter what, even when you don't. That's all you ever need to know to manifest the impossible, to live the absolute life of your dreams, unimaginable dreams, right? Because that's the power. Remember that idea of the difference between a true belief or in a false or limiting belief. In other words, an absolutely unlimited belief, right? That I am. That's your absolutely unlimited belief. That's the truth. And a false belief of I am not. False beliefs require you to believe it. But the truth of who you are doesn't require anything. You just are it. It's a knowing. Go to that knowing and be that person you've always desired to be. I challenge you to manifest the impossible, even while doubting it, even while reacting, even while circumstances seem like all hell's breaking loose. Stand in that knowing in your heaven of that I am awareness. It's heaven on earth when you know yourself as I am. That's what we're talking about. That's big. Manifest the impossible, even while doubting it. I am your host, Tom Kearin. This is the Tom Kearin Channel in the studios of Be Something Wonderful, where we help you level up and become the best version of yourself. Creators, just on our Be Something Wonderful channel this morning, we released a video on the idea of thought transmission. You're going to love this, and the idea of instant manifestation. I think it connects to this video very well. So take a look. That's on the Be Something Wonderful channel at Be Something Wonderful. Creators, thank you for being here. Don't forget, we have a big live stream coming up this month on January 26, 2025, the first one of the year, where I'm going to answer your questions live on the chat as you're asking them. And also the questions that you've been sending to us at info@besomethingwonderful.com. That's on the Be Something Wonderful membership channel. We also just released a huge video on the membership channel on the idea of everyone is you pushed out. We debunked the myths and misunderstandings of Neville Goddard's teachings of everyone is you pushed out. And we talked about how everyone is you pushed out and the idea of the mirror principle, or that reality reflects or projects what's going on within you. That's where your power is. Everyone is you pushed out is not a limitation. That's where all your power is. We talked about that. So be sure to check out that video if you're a member. If you're not a member, check out the link below. Creators, with great love, with great light, and infinite gratitude, this is Tom Kearin here in the Tom Kearin Channel on the Tom Kearin Channel in the Be Something Wonderful studios. Until next time, with great love, with great light and infinite gratitude, we'll see you soon.